Evening, 3 men were murdered in Hashburn off Brooks Level Road in Stony Hill, St. Andrew earlier today. Among the victims is a man who residents identified as an innocent bystander. They fear that the killings will fuel a much larger problem between gangs in the community. We have details in this report.
So in embed him in the heart, somebody call him. And I think go over there. A peer gunshot.
Debian Brown weeps as she recalls the last moment she had with her son. 20-year-old Brandon Scarlett is among 3 men killed in a section of Upper Brooks Level Road in Stony Hill Wednesday afternoon. The woman explains that Brandon went outside to give a friend some food when she heard the loud explosions.
As I go to reach over there, me hear me a gunshot. And me wait so till the gunshot cool down and then me say me I go look and when me reach at the back gate Adija body me buck up in her.
The friend has been identified as 17-year-old Adija Laws. He was also murdered. Another man was found dead in the yard. This was the farthest our cameras could go to the scene of the deadly attack, but the police believe that at least 2 other people were in the yard at the time. They reportedly escaped unharmed. When our news team tried talking with residents, they were tight-lipped. Head of operations for the St. Andrew North Police Division, DSP Colin Milanese, says the shootings are gang-related.
It could be part of what we believe to be a part of a gang violence in the area. The youngsters range from the age of 17 to about 21, one of which would have been charged last year for illegal possession of firearm, and he's back in the streets again. And since his tenure in the streets here, there are unconfirmed reports of his activities back in these gang violence.
Our news center understands that the incident is linked to the killing of a man at a bar also on Brooks Level Road that happened on Monday.
The perpetrators of that murder was described to be somewhere between the 17 and 21 age range. So we are investigating along that line. We don't know for a fact.
DSP Milanese says the police were on patrol following rumors of a reprisal, but he says the area is difficult to police because of the hilly terrain. Javon Keys, TVJ News.